What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to break down a session where I started the day with a bullish bias, explain the reasoning behind it, show you the trade I took, why I got stopped out, and most importantly what I could have done better. So let's start with the higher time frames. I saw that we are respecting this 1 hour gap, and we have had a very clean draws on liquidity like here and here, and I wanted to see higher prices at the open. I wanted to see something like come up, come down to this 15 minutes and sweep those London lows, but we never came down and we only rallied up. After that we had a huge SMT here with this previous week high, BTS, and it did not concern me that much because I wanted to see longs still, because we had very clear draw here, and I wanted to see some retracement at least to this 15 minutes. The 4 hour candle opened here at 10 a.m. yeah, and we immediately came down to this gap, and from there I wanted to see some rejection. I use inverse fair value gaps, so I entered on the highest time frame inversion. It would be the 3-minute here, and I entered on this candle, this inverted it, and I did put my stop loss here on the body close of the candle, and it came and stopped me out, stop traded me like 4 points. Crazy. Yeah, I think it was a pretty clean trade because we had the PO3 manipulation down to the downside. We also had an SMT here with ES. We did hold the gap, obviously, came up, but it did wick me out for some reason. My break-even was here. I did never hit that, sadly. In my opinion, it was a pretty clean trade. I loved it. I should have put my stop loss a little bit lower, like here to the bottom of the wick, but I did not think it will come back here, because why would it? But it did, and it stopped me out, and it came right back here, hit my break-even point. Then it would have been a break-even, but it then came up and gave another entry here, but I did not take this because I was already down and I didn't want to lose again. A little bit bad mentality, but it is what it is. Yeah, that kind of wraps it up. My drone got hit. I wanted to see that, but and this 3-minute was a break-even trade too, because it never hit that high, came back, break-even, but went back up. Still, it's frustrating to start the month like that, but it's okay. We need to recover from that. We need to be patient, and we need to follow our goals, get that bag. I mean, and it's part of the trading, constantly refining, learning, and improving. That's what it takes to be better. If you guys found some value in this breakdown, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.